Hey everyone, this is Just a Tech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will show you how you can recover your deleted WhatsApp data, including your WhatsApp messages, images, audio file, video file and all the content that are available on the WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. You can easily recover it with a single click. Also in this video I have hosted some surprise giveaway for all of you guys, so you can watch this video till the end to know more about that giveaway. So let me just go to my computer screen and start this process. Alright, first you need to download this iToolab RecoverGo, that is the unique WhatsApp recovery software for your iPhones and Android, and you can easily recover all the deleted messages and media files. So you can check out the description link for the complete information or visit the official website. After the download you can simply install the tool. Alright, now you will get the three options: directly recover your data from your Android or iOS device. Also you can recover your data from your iOS or Android backup. So you can select the option according to your need. I will select the first option to recover the data from my device. Alright, now next connect your device. Now you need to select the recover WhatsApp or recover WhatsApp business. You can select the option according to your need. After that, wait for the results. So now you can see it scanned all the deleted data directly from my device, including all my chats and contacts. And on the left side you will get all your media categories, including your images, contacts, video files, audio files, your voice clips, your documents, and including your WhatsApp status also. So you can check and select you want to recover it. Now after you select all your messages and media file you want to recover, just click on recover button, and after that it will recover your data. You can also select the format of the data that has been exported or path. Now the recovery is successfully done. Now you can check your files. You can get all your files, including your images, audio files, video file, and also that you have exported. You can get all that in the single place. You can also check the scan device history, in that you will get all your device list, that including your WhatsApp backup data. You can also export directly to the device. You can check the iOS backup history also. So that's all for the iToolab WhatsApp Go. If you want to try this tool and you are interested in buying, you can check out the description link for the complete information. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I am giving the free license key of this tool. All you need to do is you need to confirm your entries displaying on the screen, and that's all, you are eligible in the giveaway. I will see you in the next video. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.